Tesla has of late reported changes to the powertrain lineup and dropped the passage level 60 kWh battery pack from the range. The new starter display is the 75D, which has a 75 kWh battery pack that Tesla says will give 259 miles on the new European driving cycle, despite the fact that you most likely won't draw near to this with certifiable driving. It can complete 0 to 60 miles per hour of every 6 seconds level and has a best speed of 130 miles per hour. Next up is a 90 kWh auto, accessible in two distinct determinations. The standard 90D has an asserted 303-mile extend and is equipped for 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 4.8 seconds, with a best speed of 155 miles per hour. On the other hand, you can get the P90D, the execution variation, which has a marginally bring-down scope of 290 miles. The 155 miles per hour best speed remains, yet 0 to 60 is sliced to 3.7 seconds. Besting out the range is the freshest form of the Model X, the P100D, the most costly Tesla you can purchase. It accompanies a 100 kWh battery pack, sending it from 0 to 62 miles per hour out of a hypercar, equaling 2.9 seconds. Range is cited at 336 miles. While the electric-controlled Model X has numerous points of interest over an ignition engine vehicle, says Autocar, the battery and engine mix measures twice as much as an old-school power plant. At and about, the ride can be somewhat firm and the taking care of feels generally dormant. Includes the magazine, however the weight is situated low in the auto and gives it a protected taking care of inclination. There's additionally less body move contrasted with different SUVs, making it no less pleasant or wieldy on most British V streets. Inside, it's anything but difficult to get settled in. The Model X says there's a decent scope of modification for both the guiding haggle, while the 17-inch touchscreen show is anything but difficult to peruse, with amazingly sharp designs, what Carr says. Nonetheless, the tender love and care given to the framework doesn't overflow to whatever remains of the inside, as the middle comfort seems to be disappointingly adaptable, and there are discernible holes around the cubby gaps.